I'm excited to talk about the 70mm Dashcam Omni that I have right here. They sent it for our review. I'm going to try it out. We're in nighttime, obviously. It is dark because I've heard that these cameras are getting better and better, and this is a great high-resolution camera. So, look at that. Hello. I'm my ex. So obviously this will be a perfect addition to any car, any vehicle, if you want to see what's going on around in your car, if you want to make sure that if there's a collision, if there's a situation around your car, you will always get the details, everything in sharp focus. Super important. Before I even plug everything out, I want to make sure you guys understand this here is a little screen that you'll be able to view things in real time, live as it happens. And this little camera goes around 340 degrees, which is really cool. And it has a 140 degree FPV angle. So it is a wide angle, as you would expect a little camera like this to be, I mean, for the function that it's supposed to do. So obviously already we can see this here has a really, oh yeah, industrial sticky tape on one side. So you'd actually put that on your dash just like that. I think you could actually have it on your dash like this as well, and that's why this is here. So of course to adapt to however you install it, of course. So let's look at everything that it comes with. You've got a little manual, but most importantly, we've got the cables. And I love the packaging. I love they make it, everything is just perfectly packaged. You've got this little tool. A lot of people don't know what this little tool does. This little tool does this here. You can actually go inside the seams of the lining of your car to run the cable so everything looks tidy, everything looks clean. That is super cool. And because it is plastic, and I mean the rubber it's not gonna damage anything in your vehicle, which is obviously the point. So we've got USB to USB-C. Let's take that apart. And I believe they give you an extra little thing here, which is important. Yep, they give you the 12-volt adapter, of course, because this camera needs to be powered by your vehicle. This is it right here. So we're going to plug it in. We're going to plug in the USB just like that, and they give you an extra USB as well, which is nice. Thank you, 70mm. So we're going to plug that in just like that. And so easy, 1-to-1, done. And then we wait. We have to turn it on, just like that, the power button. Check this out. 70mm, right away, it wants to work, and it is working. How cute is that? How super cute is that? So we're gonna set it up, and right now what I want to do is set it up with the phone, because that's where the power lies, is with your phone with the 70mm app. So let's get everything ready. There we go. I'm turned on. Look at that little colored screen. You can actually see everything outside. And I'm going to go ahead and connect with my phone, so you guys can actually see. It is enabling the hotspot, Wi-Fi right here. There you go. I just said it. Boom. Enabling the hotspot, connecting to the hotspot. So we're doing that right now as we speak. Look at that. My phone is going to join. It's actually, the little camera is very happy for me to join. And I'm connecting. And literally in seconds, look at this. In seconds, you can see on my phone what this is streaming live. How fast, how quick, and what resolution. We are at night right now. This is the type of resolution you can expect. I mean, this is incredible. Look at that. Wow. And it's no surprise, this is a Sony sensor. 70mm actually uses Sony camera sensors, Sony lenses, and Sony sensors in there to make sure that in low light situation, just like we're in, you're not gonna miss a beat, you're not gonna miss anything. Even with our phone camera right now, we're kind of struggling to see the end of the road. But right now, I can actually see everything. Super nice. And I love love the fact that this little thing, when it's not recording, it's kind of always smiling at me, letting me know that it's plugged in. If I unplug it, it's actually going to give me a little wave and say goodbye and good night. I think that's adorable. And that's the other thing too, is with this little thing, you can actually just unplug it, take it out of the car, leave the wiring just the way it is, and the next time you just plug it back in, and away you go. And then you can keep all of your information, all of the data, all of the footage that you shot, whether it's pictures, whether it's videos, 30-second increments on your phone in an album. Super easy to share either to yourself or to someone else. I mean, seriously, 70mai has kind of revolutionized the way we look at dash cams. And this one here, for the size, for what it does and the capabilities, I think is a big winner. The Omni one, this dash cam is incredible.